Under 15, first game. Do your best, Aya. Do your best.
Court number 3, Casey and Gillian Bay. Please proceed to court number 3. Casey Jimenez, Gillian Bay. Please proceed to court number 3.
Six love. Smash. Okay. 6-1. Ay.
Court number 4, Phoenix and Eisen. Court number 4, Phoenix and Eisen. Court number 4.
Nine, 1. Tingin ng smash, Aya. 90%. Ten, 1. Smash. Change court. Para padaan na. Bigyan mo ako ng smash. Yung 100%, 90%.
Silence Rafael, court number 4. Silence Rafael, court number 4. Silence number 2. Silence Rafael, court number 2. Silence Rafael, court number 2.
Apply ka na, 1,000.
Kasama ka na. Makalilin ko na si Steve.
Ganyan na to.
Eli, sit down. Nice. Pasok mo lang. Pasok mo lang muna. Huwag ka mo naman bigil.
Court number 4. Selecting our voice. Selecting our voice. Jericho versus Castroval. Jericho versus Castroval. Court number 4. Jimmy versus Jasper Lang. Jimmy versus Jasper Lang. Please proceed to court number 4.
More power. Focus, focus. Habol na. Nice. Go, rally. Do it. Nice. Out. Oh, habol na ito. Kaya yan. Ay. Okay lang. Ayaw mo yan. Do your best. Ha? Last game. Ayaw mo yan. Mag-strategy ka. Rest ka lang muna pagpagod ka. Ayan na yan. Oh. Hanggang dalawa lang talaga siya. Hanggang first game. Galaw-galaw. Out. Ano lang. Rally na yan. Go. Do it. Pa. Drop. Nice. Go. Do or die. Ah, nice. Go, ganun. Kaya. Nice. Go for the momentum, Aya. Can do it. Mali pa mo. Okay. Rest. Nice. Oh, do it. All 14. Mama na. Oh. Go for the momentum, Aya. Out. Ha? 9 ball. Oh, nice yun. Okay lang. All 15, Aya. Can do it. Nice. Ganda na laban. Focus, ha. Sayang. Out. 9 ball. Do it, Aya, lamang ka na. Bakan. All 17, can do it.
Court number 5.
Enzo's under 15 quarter final. Good luck, Enzo.
Court number 5. Crime Date versus Phoenix.
Try mo lang.
Court number 5.
Dad, alis ka
Crime
dyan.
Date versus Phoenix.
Dad, alis ka dyan. Nadidistract siya.
Phoenix.
Inalis
Court
niya
number
nga
5.
ako eh. Dito ka lang, oh.
Court number 5.
Pass. Nice.
Court number 3, Matthew and Jericho. Court number 3, Matthew and Jericho.
Nice. All.
Court number 5, Crime Date versus Phoenix.
Pass.
Crime Date.
Nice.
Court number 5.
Pass.
Last one.
Okay, awarding mo tayo 15 under girls. Second runner-up, Jillian Bai, Santara Jimenez. First runner-up, Casey Jimenez and champion Scarlett. Please proceed to awarding area. Congratulations. Again, awarding po tayo ng 15 under girls. Second runner-up,
proceed to awarding area.
So, focus lang.
Thank you and congratulations. Pati.
Out.
This one.
Score. Focus ka lang ha. Do your best.
Sinong 7 dan?
All.
This one. Oh! This one.
Nice.
Continue.
Bakan Aya, bakan.
Oh! Pa. Nice one.
In.
This one.
Go, rally, rally. 9-7.
Wait mo lang, wait mo lang.
Bigyan mo lang siya doon sa bakan, ha? Alam yan. Ha? Wala kasing kanan niya, pero kaya yan.
Let's play. Okay lang yun. Tama yun. Okay, Nol. Come on.
Come on, let's cheer for Enzo.
Oh! Pa.
Ah,
This one. This one. Balik mo lang. Yan. Balik mo lang.
in.
Side.
Out. Okay lang yun. Focus.
Oh! Nice.
Nice.
Go!
Get ready.
Okay, okay.
Lexus versus Angelito.
Ano yan? Tinol, tinol.
Get ready for the next available court.
Nice one.
Oh,
Nice one.
nice.
Leave it.
11-10. Take a rest, rest. Don't do it, Aya. Thank you.
Lexus versus Lloyd.
Take a rest, inom ka muna. Yung tali mo, oh.
Continue mo lang. Ano ang ginagawa mo?
$11-10.
Continue mo lang ha.
11-10.
Side.
Focus.
Oh!
Okay lang. Focus, focus. Take a rest. Sunod. Take a rest. Rest. Inom ka. Rest. Inom ka. Error. Maharang tumbukan nanti. Nice. Go Aya, I can do it.
Ball. This one.
In. Ah. 14.
Baguhin mo yung ano,
Oh.
play mo.
Attack now, attack.
Sayang, kulang.
17-14, Aya. Nice. Oh, dalawang sunod lang. Tabla na.
Court number 4, Lexus versus Angelito. Court number 4, Lexus versus Angelito.
Ah.
Sayang.
Go, Aya, kaya yan.
Tingnan, tingnan. Nice one. Oh. Isa pa. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Ayo.
Oh. Nice one.
Ah.
Nice one.
Ah. Ah. Nakakataiyak naman. Go, Aya, enjoy.
Ano lang ha? Continue mo lang ha, drop lang, marang business ka, drop sa barkas man. Gilid-gilid lang, tama yung ginagawa mo. Tama yung ginagawa mo.
Drink water.
Pag-serve, relax ng konti, saka serve.
Bingay labat.
Pero tatanong ko sa dito.
Oh.
Tatanong natin yung start.
O, 5 lang yan, 5.
Hindi ah. Ah.
Ano sa amin naman? Ho! Nice one.
Ah.
Okay lang, okay lang. Nice one! Come!
Test ko rin. 19.
Bigyan mo lang sa ano, likod. Likod lang ha. Ready ka pero.
2 points, Aya. 2 points.
Sa may harap. Oh,
Ay.
mabit. Okay lang, okay lang.
Nice game pa rin, Aya.
Nice one, come on. Oh, tatlo, tatlo. Come on, tatlo lang yan. Oh,
Wow, pagod na. Nice game.
nice game. Nice play, ayos. Ganda, ganda lang ginawa mo. Oh,
Nice game, Aya. Pagod lang. Ito, ano, empire. Thank you.